In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your watch time going low. Okay, so if you are a YouTuber and you are about to reach, let's say, 4,000 watch hours and the minutes are now going down, well, this video is for you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this is my channel. We are logged into my dashboard. So I had reached 106 watch minutes, as you can see, 106,000 watch minutes, and suddenly it went down. And well, I wanted to know the problem, and I searched on YouTube, and I really didn't find what I was looking for. So I went and did some little research, and well, I'm glad to say that if the number is going down like over here, well, it doesn't really count. So excuse me, it doesn't really count. What counts is on your other settings here. Okay, let me show you how I got here. Okay, so this is my watch minutes, 2,440, and it doesn't go down if the watch minutes on this other tab on my dashboard goes down. It stays on 244 and continues to rise. So it doesn't actually matter if your minutes go down on this dashboard. What matters is here, where it is written your watch hours precisely. So to access this, you need to go on to your channel. Let me go back to my channel and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so you need to log into your channel, and after clicking on your channel, you need to click on accounts. Then after clicking account, you need to go to view additional features. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Just let me just wait for it to load up. Okay, so this is what you get when you visit your channel, and well, it's viewing as a subscriber, so there's no welcome video if you have one, so it won't show you that. Okay, so what you need to do right now, let's just wait for it to load up. There is a tab that's supposed to load up here, and then I'll show you what I did. It's still loading. I customized it like pretty well. Okay, so now you go onto this tab and you scroll down. Let me see. Okay, so you scroll down, okay, like this, and you click on settings. Okay, so it will take you to this page that will load up in a minute. Okay, so when you get to this page, you are going to click on this view additional features. And after viewing features, as you can see, my monetization is not enabled yet. I haven't reached 4,000 watch minutes, but I'm almost there, so it will be enabled once it gets reviewed. So after clicking on features, you're going to need to click on monetization, and on the monetization, that's where you see that that's where you see your watch hours and your subscribers. Okay, so then you scroll down, and then you see that you have your watch minutes and then your subscribers. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, my name is Percy.